Hi guys, so this is a video of me making a U-part wig with a crochet wig cap that I had at home, and I'm using T-pins as well, needle and thread. So how did I start making this U-part wig? I had just finished making a video on ponytail hairstyle, and I just sat down on the chair and it just came to me to do a U-part wig. Like I have heard 1,000 times, Geminis are actually very spontaneous, and I am usually very, very spontaneous. So I just started making a U-part wig out of the blues. This is an old hair that I have had for a while, and it was also the hair that I had used that same day to make the ponytail. So I just decided to put it to another use, make a U-part wig, since it's somewhat close to my current hair color. So I'm just going about making the U-part wig. This video is not a tutorial video. I'm just showing you what I did and how I did it. It's not a video to teach you how to do it. I'll do another video to show you how to do it, but this is a video of me just doing a U-part wig. Please keep watching to see how it turned out at the end. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Please follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. Leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you guys so much.